Okay, we got the Uniden R7. Gonna put it in the vehicle for the first time. This is a 5th-gen Camaro. It's coming on.
X band, K band, KA band, laser.
Okay, I did hook this up in my office. I hooked it up to a battery charger, which is probably not too good of an idea. Let's see, I have that battery indicator on there now, 14.9. On the battery charger I was getting 16 to 18 volts, which is a little bit much for it. So I did go through a lot of the menus and stuff to get it all set up. So it's the first time I've had this is the first time I've had it connected in the car, so ready to go do a test drive on it. We'll get the suction cup. We'll use this suction cup right here and just stick it up here on the windshield. So I'll get that done real quick. Okay, now I have it mounted up here on the suction cups. I hope that'll stay up there. You see it's 14.9 volts right now, and I got it in the Night Rider mode. Scans back and forth. I also got it wrapped around here twice on the mirror. That way if it does fall off, it will come swinging down here. It won't come crashing down. So this is just temporary. I got a mount that's going to fit right under here. That'll be in another video. So this is just all temporary here. Maybe I should have did the dash mount or something, but I think that'll work for now. So like I say, I done went in here and did I did some setup for kind of a rural area, and I believe I got X band turned completely off, and KA and KA band is on, lasers on. So I believe we're ready to hit the road and check this thing out. Yeah, this is kind of a cool, cloudy Sunday. Good day for a drive. Sitting at 14.9 volts. Still scanning. Now this thing does have arrows. When the radar's picked up, it'll point straight ahead. The radar's behind you, it'll point down, and side to side on your side roads. That's pretty cool. This is the Uniden R7. Okay, there's our first hit. There's K-band. It was in front of us, now it's behind us. There's a police station just right over to the left of us here. Now it's gone. Oh, there's one right beside me here. That was X-band. I thought I had X-band turned off. got K-band behind me. Okay, we got K-band up front. Now it's behind us. Now it's sideways. It's down here close. Okay, here's KA band. I don't see him. I think he's over here at McDonald's. Yeah. There he is. The volume on that's just about right. It's not too loud, yet you can still hear it. Parking lot at Walmart looks pretty empty compared to normal Sunday afternoon. Okay, I'm gonna shut this thing down. We're gonna still picking up some KA band. See, I've got it on a quiet ride. When you're doing, I believe, less than 20 miles an hour, it will be quiet. You won't get the beeps and the notifications.